Eating chocolate can stimulate the release of endorphins in the brain, which are natural mood enhancers. This is why chocolate is often associated with feelings of pleasure and happiness. The world's largest cheese ever produced weighed over 57,000 pounds and was made in Wisconsin, USA. It required over 4 million pounds of milk to produce. Carrots were originally purple, not orange. The orange color we associate with carrots today was developed in the 16th century by Dutch farmers through selective breeding to honor the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange. Fortune cookies, often associated with Chinese cuisine, were actually invented in the United States. They were first served in California in the early 20th century. The Carolina Reaper holds the Guinness World Record for being the hottest chili pepper, with an average heat level of over 1.6 million Scoville heat unit. It's so intense that it can cause temporary loss of taste and difficulty breathing. Legend has it that coffee was discovered by Ethiopian shepherds who noticed their goats becoming energetic after eating coffee berries. This led to the cultivation and consumption of coffee beans. The durian fruit, known for its strong odor often described as a mix of rotten onions, turpentine, and raw sewage, is banned in many hotels and public transport vehicles in Southeast Asia. Tea bags were accidentally invented in the early 20th century when a tea merchant sent samples of tea in small silk bags. Customers mistook these bags for being meant for brewing and found them convenient, leading to the invention of tea bags. Saffron holds the title of the world's most expensive spice, as it is labor-intensive to harvest. Saffron threads are hand-picked from crocus flowers, and it takes thousands of flowers to produce a small amount of saffron. Pineapples do not continue to ripen after they are harvested, unlike many other fruits. They should be picked when fully ripe because they won't get sweeter over time.